Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will present to you about utilizing components. We are Mahfuza Sohid and Siti Zubaida Mustafa. Okay, what is component? Component is a kind of Joomla extension. Components are the main functional units of Joomla as they can be seen as mini applications. An easy analogy would be that Joomla is the operating system and the components are desktop applications. As you can see in the pictures, the right picture is showing desktop applications while the left picture showing operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux and many more. Components can be divided into two parts. The first one is administrator and the second one is site. Administrator provides an interface to configure and manage different aspects of the components and is accessible through the Joomla administrator application. On the other hand, site is used to render pages when being called during normal site operation. Here, there are 7 types of components which are banners, web links, messaging, contacts, newsfeed, redirect, and search. But in this presentation, we will only cover 3 types of components which are web links, newsfeed, and messaging. Let us begin. To start Joomla, we need to log in. First, you need to put your username and password, then click Login. You need to open the administrator site and then click Component. After that, you can see there are lots of lists for components such as banner, contacts, Joomla updates, messaging, newsfeeds, redirect, search, smart search, text, and web links. The first component that we are going to learn is newsfeeds, where the newsfeeds component allows you to pull feeds from other sites into your Joomla site. Newsfeeds are organized into categories and at least one category must exist before you can create a newsfeed. In order to create newsfeed, you need to click at the components, then click newsfeed, and then you need to click feed. To create a newsfeeds category, first you need to open the sample data newsfeeds by clicking its title. After that, you can rename the title to whatever you want to name. In here, we name the title as EDT 3307. After that, you need to click Save, and now you will have the categories as EDT 3307. And your category is successfully saved. The next step is to create a new feed. First, you need to click announcement title to open it for editing. After that, you can change the title, link, and category. For the title, you can choose whatever title you want to choose. And then for the link, you need to give the link that you want. And category you can choose, for example, sample data newsfeed. So this is the one that is successfully saved. And now you can see that EDT3307 is the category and announcement is the new news feed. This is news feeds display option. You can change according to your desire, but for language manager, the character counts control how many characters of the article appear on your site. That's all for newsfeed. We now move on to web links page. Web link components create resource pages that link to other content or websites. And web links are organized into categories. The first step you need to do is you need to choose web links and click categories. In order to create web links category, you need to click on sample data web links. And you need to rename the title, such as EDT3307 notes. And then click save. Then your web links category is successfully saved. So now you can see your web link categories such as EDT3307 notes as on the screen. To add web links to a web links component, you need to click Joomla. After that, type the title and also the URL of the web link. Choose any category that you want. You only have to fill the title and the URL as it is compulsory. Then go to basic option. Click on target as it will set how the link will open. And then click open in parent window. If you want to set the link to open in a pop-up window, you can set the width and the height of the pop-up window. That's all for web links. We now move on to messaging. As we know, messaging is Joomla back-end messaging system can be used to communicate with other back-end users and website administrators. The first step is you need to go to component, click messaging, and then click new private message. This is how the inbox looks. This is how view private message look. So you will have reply, cancel, help, and many more. How to write private message? You need to fill in 3 things: the recipient, subject, and message. After you have finished filling in the 3 things, you can select user, such as Octavius. This is in This is in our contact and this is for back-end user. So after you have sent the message, the person will get the message from you and the message will send to you as successfully sent. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.